Welcome to our website. If you're in a water emergency situation, you came to the right place. If water is on your floor, a pipe is broken, your sewers are backing up, or you're in a flood situation, mold and mildew can spread quickly. Time is not on your side. Pick up the phone and give us a call. We have 28 years experience working with people just like you. Our technicians are trained, experienced, and certified. We are the leader in the water damage, restoration, reconstruction industry. Right now we have an emergency response team standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Pick up a phone and give us a call. The consultation and evaluation is free. If you're concerned about the insurance billing process, don't be. We're the leaders in hassle-free insurance billing.